Namaste. Here in Pune, it's getting very hot. And on 27th April, there is a special Amavasya, a special new moon day. So, in this podcast, I have shared the mantra remedy, the alerts, the precautions, and the impact of this new moon day on each zodiac sign. So let's begin with this podcast. On Sunday, 27th April 2025, we observe a deeply sacred Amavasya known as Sattu Amavasya. Falling on the Amavasya Tithi of Vaishakh month, this spiritually potent day begins at 4:49 am on 27th April and ends at 1 am on 28th April as per Indian Standard Time. Now you must understand this is not just another Amavasya. This is a powerful window for ancestral healing, especially revered in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Maharashtra, and by all seekers who understand the mystical depth of Pitru Tarpana. On this day, you are being called not just by tradition but by your own karmic roots to pause, reflect, and honor those souls who came before you. It is believed that donating sattu, meaning roasted gram flour or roasted chickpea flour, and performing tarpan can bring peace to your ancestors and unlock pathways of abundance and clarity in your life. What you should do on Sattu Amavasya? First, wake up during Brahma Muhurat and bath in water mixed with rock salt to cleanse your aura. Then offer tarpan and perform shraddha with love and devotion, especially for those ancestors whose names are forgotten. Then feed crows with fried food, a traditional gesture said to reach your pitrus, meaning your ancestors. Then offer sattu cakes to cows. This act of compassion brings both spiritual and material blessings. Donate sattu, water, and basic essentials to the poor and hungry people. This selfless act carries tremendous punya, spiritual merit. Observe a fast or consume only sattvic pure food to purify your inner system. Worship the sacred peepal tree and take 7 rounds parikrama around it, invoking divine grace. Recite Vishnu Sahasranam or Hanuman Chalisa. These mantras create a protective spiritual shield. Since this Amavasya is on a Sunday, reciting the 12 Surya mantras will invoke the solar power within you and will also help you to maintain good health, physical and mental. I will now recite the 12 Surya mantras so that you can understand and recite and gain more blessings on this beautiful day of Sattu Amavasya. Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Khagaya Namaha, Om Pushne Namaha, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, Om Marichaye Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Savitre Namaha, Om Arkaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. These 12 Surya mantras can help you nullify the Pitru dosh in your birth chart and restore harmony in your house. So if you are able to recite all these 12 Surya mantras every day, then it is going to help you a lot. This year, Sattu Amavasya falls in the zodiac sign of Aries, Mesh, ruled by the fiery planet Mars. A spiritual alert is issued for those whose moon, sun, or ascendant falls in Aries. Since the Amavasya is in Aries, you need to be very careful if your moon, sun, or ascendant is in Aries. And now I shall begin to share the zodiac-wise impact of this Amavasya and the specific mantra remedy for each sign so that you stay blessed, safe, and spiritually aligned. Let us begin with Aries. Aries, this Amavasya falls in your sign and it may feel intense. You might feel a little restless or frustrated in your relationships. Breathe and don't let small things turn into big fights. Your health may feel off, especially due to overthinking or anger. So keep calm and drink more water. Avoid spending impulsively or jumping into new investments. At work, go slow and avoid reacting to criticism. In business, take a step back and reflect instead of rushing forward. Offer water with sesame seeds to the peepal tree on this Sattu Amavasya day. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. For peace and clarity, continue chanting this beautiful, powerful Krishna mantra. Taurus, this Amavasya is calling you inward. Turn inwards. You might feel emotional or find yourself thinking about old memories or people from the past. It's okay to slow down. Don't suppress your feelings. Let them flow. Your throat and sugar levels may need attention. So eat light. Be generous with others. It will bring blessings your way. Career-wise, keep your ears open. Hidden chances may be waiting. Business should go on. Don't take major decisions today. Donate sattu with jaggery and water to someone in need. Chant Om Shrim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Shrim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Shrim Mahalakshmi Namaha. To welcome abundance in your life, continue chanting this beautiful Mahalakshmi mantra. Gemini, past misunderstandings with friends or loved ones might come up again, but this time there is a chance to heal them. Just speak with kindness. Your mind may be overactive, so rest well and avoid screen time before bed. Money matters may seem confusing, so don't rush. A surprise task at work may test your patience, but you will handle it. In business, double check everything before signing anything. Feed crows and donate spiritual books on Sattu Amavasya day. Chant the mantra Om Klim Krishnaya Namaha. Om Klim Krishnaya Namaha to bring harmony to your heart. Continue chanting this mantra, this beautiful Krishna mantra. Om Klim Krishnaya Namaha. Cancer, this Amavasya may bring up feelings from deep within, especially around home and family. Be gentle with yourself. You may feel more emotional than usual. That's okay. Take extra care of your digestion and don't skip meals. Financially, it's a good day to plan, but don't spend much. Avoid office drama and focus on your work. In business, slow and steady wins the race. So don't rush. Offer tulsi mixed water to the sun in the morning. Chant Om Hrim Suryaya Namaha. Om Hrim Suryaya Namaha. Om Hrim Suryaya Namaha. This mantra will help you to gain strength and courage. Leo, you may feel tested on Sattu Amavasya day, especially in your relationships. Ego can get in the way, so choose love over pride. Let others feel heard. Your back or heart may need rest. Don't overexert. Spend wisely and avoid unnecessary shopping. At work, you may get a creative idea during quiet moments. In business, wait before taking bold actions. Donate spiritual books in your father's memory and chant the beautiful Rama mantra, which I love a lot. Om Ram Ramaya Namaha. Om Ram Ramaya Namaha. Om Ram Ramaya Namaha. Chant this beautiful Ram mantra. This will help you feel grounded and inspired. Virgo, this Amavasya is perfect for reflection. You may feel like pulling back from people to focus on yourself, and that's good. Clean up your diet and drink herbal teas. Some financial clarity is needed, so take time to recheck budgets. At work, finish old pending tasks before starting anything new. In business, review your processes quietly. Bath in neem water and chant the Shiva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. For healing and inner peace, continue chanting this beautiful Shiva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya. Libra, relationships may feel a bit heavy today. Emotional patterns, especially from the past, could rise to the surface. Don't ignore them. Heal them. Avoid overeating or sweet cravings. If someone asks for money, say no politely on this Sattu Amavasya day. At work, be true to yourself rather than pleasing everyone. In business, rethink a partnership before continuing. Light a lamp under the peepal tree using sesame oil and do 7 rounds around the peepal tree, 7 parikrama, and chant the Vishnu mantra. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Chant this mantra so that you don't get stuck and you are able to overcome the hurdles in your life. Scorpio, your emotions may be very strong today. You may feel easily triggered or deeply sensitive. Don't fight it. Take rest and avoid spicy food or late nights. Be careful with money matters and don't take loans on this day or the days to come after this Amavasya. At work, you may sense people's hidden intentions. Trust your intuition. Business decisions should be postponed if you are feeling unsure. Offer black sesame to Lord Saturn and Lord Hanuman on Sattu Amavasya day. Chant the mantra Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. This will help you to attract more success and prosperity in your life. So continue chanting this Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Sagittarius, Sattu Amavasya brings a chance to heal your relationship with your children, your inner child, or someone you once mentored. Be open, gentle, and present in the now moment. You might feel some discomfort in your hips or thighs, so avoid strain. Money might come late, but it will come. Stay patient. You may be guided to teach or inspire someone. Embrace this role. Business growth should wait. Today is for vision, not action. Offer yellow sweets to Lord Vishnu and chant the mantra Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Chant this beautiful mantra to attract grace and patience in yourself. Capricorn. Capricorn, family matters may come up on this Sattu Amavasya day, especially something linked to your mother or roots. Something connected to your home may also come up. Stay calm and don't let emotions cloud your actions. Your knees or bones may ache, so take it easy. Don't overspend. Keep things practical. At work, responsibilities may feel heavy, but you are built for endurance. In business, focus on structure and long-term planning. Light a ghee lamp under the peepal tree on Sattu Amavasya day and chant Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Chant this mantra for protection and strength. Aquarius, miscommunications may create tensions today, that is on Sattu Amavasya day, and the days to follow. So speak slowly and listen more. Anxiety may come and go. Do pranayam or deep breathing. Avoid online purchases or chatting too much on the Sattu Amavasya day. In your job, someone's words may affect you, but rise above it. Don't fight. Don't argue. In business, clarity is everything. Get everything in writing. Donate notebooks or pens to poor children or poor student. Chant the Ganesha mantra Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Chant this beautiful Ganesha mantra to attract prosperity, peace, and wisdom in your life. Pisces, this Amavasya will touch your soul deeply. You may feel emotional, intuitive, and even spiritually high. Let those feelings flow. Write, meditate, or take a long walk in nature. Watch for foot pain or water retention. Be mindful with money. Donate, don't splurge. Work may feel heavy emotionally, so protect your energy. In business, do good for others and you will see big results later. Feed the poor with sattu, that is chickpea flour, and chant the beautiful Rama mantra. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Chant this beautiful Rama mantra to attract divine blessings and abundance in your life. And so, my friends, overall, Sattu Amavasya is not just another date on the lunar calendar. It is a deeply spiritual reminder of where you came from, of the roots you may have forgotten, and of the bloodline that runs through your veins. You may have gone through painful experiences, perhaps an abusive mother or a harsh father. But even so, you cannot deny this one undeniable truth. You are born through them. Your flesh, your breath, your life, it flows from a lineage. And no matter how far you try to run, your karma remains entangled with that lineage, with that family, until you heal it. That's why I often say a person is not just an individual. You are the sum total of your ancestors. In ancient India, this truth was honored deeply. Family wasn't just a social construct, it was sacred. People were known not only by their name, but by the family they belonged to. It wasn't about pride, it was about carrying forward the karmic legacy with awareness and grace. And so, if you have never heard of Sattu Amavasya, then let this podcast be your first step into realizing its importance. This sacred day is dedicated to offering prayers, love, and food in memory of your ancestors. Feeding the poor, donating sattu, and offering water is not just a ritual, it's a spiritual act of gratitude and of healing the karmic ties that connect generations. What a beautiful heritage we come from. And now it is our sacred duty to honor and protect this wisdom, to walk the path of our ancient Sanatan Dharma. And when I speak of Sanatan, I speak not of labels or limited ideologies. I speak of the eternal path, the path that welcomes all. True Sanatan Dharma is not bound by politics or prejudice. It is open. It is inclusive. It embraces the teachings of Jesus, the love of Sai Baba, the wisdom of Sufi saints, and the silence of Buddha. It sings the Vedas. Sanatan Dharma embraces all other religions. Sanatan Dharma is often seen as a universal religion that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries, embracing individuals from all walks of life. That is the Sanatan Dharma I bow to. Unshaken, timeless, vast, like the sky, like the ocean. And on this Sattu Amavasya, let us bow down not in sorrow, but in reverence to the ancestors who made it possible for us to be alive, breathing and seeking. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Chant this mantra 108 times in the morning and evening if you have Pitru Dosh in your Kundali. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. This mantra means I bow to the ancestral beings, Pitru Devatas. And so on this day of Sattu Amavasya, start reciting this Pitru mantra. And the more you recite, the more you will come out of the Pitru dosh in your Kundali. Remember, you may hate your mother or father because they caused much harm and trouble to you. But you should not forget your grandparents and your great great grandparents. And so don't limit yourself to your father and mother. Remember, you are the sum total of all generations in your family. And so pay your respect to your ancestors. Say thank you. A man or a woman with a thankful heart is always dear to God. Such a man, such a woman is always blessed because they never complain. They always appreciate what they have. They always say thank you from the depth of their heart. Thank you. These two words connect you with all that you seek. Carry a grateful heart and you will always be provided for. Love to all grateful hearts listening to this podcast. You are blessed ones because you have a beautiful, grateful heart. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.